G'day guys, Peter is here. You're watching two old blokes and a young fellow trying not to end up in a ditch at Captain's Corner, Queensland, Australia. I'm over 65, my mate Larry's the same vintage, and we've dragged Joseph, who's only 20, along to show us how it's done, or more likely to help us pick up the bikes when our knees buckle under us. Larry and I are on lightweight Enduro bikes today. When you're over 60, wrestling a 150-kilogram beast through single track is a recipe for a hip replacement. These light bikes are a game changer. They're agile, responsive, and don't feel like you're trying to park a bus in a cupboard. At Captain's Corner, we've got a bit of everything today. Wide open dirt roads where Joseph thinks he's in the Dakar, followed by some proper technical single track that usually settles his ego. The wide roads are for the views, but the technical stuff is where the fun and the heavy breathing start. Let me tell you about fitness and the young gun factor. Young Josephs might have got the youth, but we've got the old man's strength and a complete lack of shame when we need to take a breather. Enduro is a full-body workout. It's great for the core, balance, and keeping the heart ticking. Plus, watching a 20-year-old stall in a creek crossing is better for my mental health than any therapy session. We are conscious about safety and riding and also have great health benefits, especially at our spring chicken age. Safety first, we're geared up to the nines. Riding like this keeps the brain sharp. You have to focus on the trail, which is basically active meditation with eating more dust on the way. It lowers the cortisol and keeps us feeling 20 years younger until we try to get out of bed tomorrow morning. I am married to a Thai lady, so I have that Asia connection, what might be a benefit to other riders like me. If you think this Queensland dirt is good, you should see the trails we hit in Thailand. We spend a fair bit of time riding through the jungles over there, and in the hot season, the humidity really tests whether your heart is still in it. By the way, in Chiang Mai, the weather is similar to that in North Queensland, Australia. Pack your bags and come for a ride in Asia with us next time. We promise to let the old blokes lead the way. Would you like a detailed itinerary for an Enduro trip in Thailand, or more info on the best lightweight bikes for older riders? Please leave your comments.